Hey everybody, it's Jeff Berlin. I just read and performed a demonstration of the first 8 bars of Lesson 24, which is the last lesson in my beginner reading book, Bass Mastery. It's for beginner readers. But as you heard, there's a lot of syncopation, a lot of 16th notes, 8th notes, rests, other elements that have all preceded Lesson 24. Reading liberates bass players because it puts both hands in sequence. That's really the best technical approach I feel that one can do, is to use both hands together. And it gives us an idea to subdivide time. Reading is a liberating thing. This lesson, I hope, was a good demonstration of that, because what you heard is in everybody's future if you stick with the reading and practice regularly. Good luck, my friends.